In this video, I will tell you how to mute sound on Instagram story. So let's say that if you want to upload a video on your Instagram story, but but you don't want the original sound of the video, you can actually mute the sound. Okay, and how you can do this? First of all, you will open up your Instagram, and then you will actually tap on the plus icon here. Then go to the story option here, and let's suppose that if you want to, let me just go back, and then you will actually click on this gallery icon here, and let's suppose if I select this video here, like this one here. So now as you can see that this video has a sound on it. Okay, so how you can actually mute the sound on this Instagram story? You will tap on this speaker here, okay, this one, and now you will you don't listen any sound in this video, okay, like this one. Okay, so that's how to mute sound on Instagram story. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.